Alright, let's check out the chart action for AMD today. Alright, so we're on the monthly time frame, and AMD's been running up like crazy since about 2016. So there's a couple things that I think that it's looking like it's changing direction a little bit. It kind of flattened out up here, and then now we're getting some red candles a little bit. The other thing that I noticed that we're on the monthly right now, and we have broken beneath this moving average right here. And if you notice, this moving average has held support this whole time. Every time that we come down and test it, we bounce off of it. Right now we broke below it. We did break below it right here and pop right back up again. But if you look, last month we broke it and we came back up, and now we broke it again. So it looks like we're testing it pretty good right now, and we're underneath it pretty much. So that's what's making me kind of wonder if we're gonna get a bigger correction. So I'm kind of just looking at some levels that I would maybe look at to buy in. Let's use the Fibonacci tool and see if we can get some levels to watch. Alright, so we'll come up here, select the Fibonacci tool, drag from the bottom of this run and drag it to the top of it. I hope you can see these wicks right here, but there we got a couple of wicks right there. Alright, now we have some levels to watch. I like the 50% level and this 38% level. I've been noticing that a lot of retracements come down right there and they'll bounce off there, something like that, or maybe something like that. Alright, so I'm looking at this 50% level of 50.65. One other reason that I like this level is if you zoom out, you can come back in the history and these two previous tops right here, you could do a horizontal line right here, somewhere like that, and it's coming in fairly close to that 50% level right here. I mean, maybe you can argue this level of 44, the previous top, because when we broke through it, we got support right here on it, and then we kept running up. Alright, so one last thing is that there's this trend line going like this. We still haven't broke it yet, and we actually did get support on it just now. Let's see how much this can hold support right here. We bounced on it right here, but we're testing it. You can also argue we have this top trend line going something like this. If we go into the weekly, we can see that we can adjust it a little bit, maybe something like that. And I would just watch this triangle pattern as well. Whether we go up or down, then we'll know a little bit better within this time frame. So let's just keep an eye on this trend line basically. Alright, if you guys liked the video, hit that thumbs up button.